videos.
Is that your duty?
Yeah.
Oh, I think you said the landlord.
And then we're just going to listen now for it to switch off.
Oh, that's awesome.
And then the gas switches off. So let's say you spilled something and it's put out the flames, then it would stop the gas. Or if there was a strong wind and the flame went out, it will stop the gas. Old ones didn't do that. They just used to keep letting gas out. Just like that. And it has those little slots there. They slide in. So when you're using the grill, it has to stay open. So when you're using the grill, you have to use that. Okay? So that's how you use that.